Good morning guys, good morning everyone. So I just got home from health center and I supposed to clean up around kasi it's so messed up. Pero since kay nagutom ko, magkaon sa ta before mang limpyo. So let's eat. So ano siya kung sudan. This is my ulam. I don't know what is this pero ano siya, atay with boiled egg. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dito, kung anong luto. Basta yun yan. So, let's eat. I hope you guys nagkaon na. What else do you want? Ano na siya? Let's eat. Let's try this, veggies. Ano sa mga veggies man? What's this? Patata. This is one of my favorite guys. So, part ng manok. Yung atay. Dako asa na mo eh. By the way, niya akong sudan. Gipalitan ako sa gawas. Let's try the egg.